Summer is the time for booze and barbecue, but it's quickly coming to an end. So allow me to combine the two for gluttonous efficiency with bourbon barbecue sauce. Alright, good news for you and my watch time. We're going to start out with bourbon. Specifically, you'll need 1 cup of bourbon, and we're going to add it to a super small pot. But we're not going to add any other ingredients yet. The first thing we need to do is boil off most of the alcohol. Listen, I'm all for getting drunk at a summer barbecue, but if I wanted to get drunk on bourbon, drink bourbon. That's why we gotta cook off most of the alcohol. We want the taste of bourbon, and not the bad experiences that come with it. Okay, almost single-handedly caused the start to California wildfire season. And if you don't want that to happen to you, avoid my mistake and just let it simmer on low for 5 minutes. Okay, let's transfer it to a bigger pot. Let's add half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And half a cup of water. And yes, I'm recycling the vinegar bottle. I'm woke. 1 cup of ketchup. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce. Toss some water in it, swirl it around, get the excess. 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Notice how I did not intentionally mispronounce it for an overused joke. Take note. Half a cup of brown sugar. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. And 1/8 teaspoon cayenne pepper. Okay, let's throw all the ingredients together. Bring this to a boil over high heat. Alright, once it reaches a boil, drop the heat down to medium-low, and oh boy. Alright, once it's simmering like this, let it go for 30 minutes to an hour. I know that's a huge range, but really it depends how beefy your burner is. And mine is pretty beefy. And as I predicted, half an hour later, our sauce is done cooking. So let me pour it into a separate bowl. Now you can put it on steaks, burgers, hot dogs, or have it by itself. Actually, no, this kind of becomes boring after a while. Have it on a burger. This has been Chase Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun and meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really liked the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Monday. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and support me on Patreon. Yeah, I'm sweating like a pig. Support me on Patreon so I can afford to turn on the AC.